Good day everyone, welcome to Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic, we're going to talk about multiplying conjugates involving radicals.
When we are multiplying conjugates involving radicals, when we talk about conjugates, we are going to have two binomials having the same terms but different operation. So the product of two conjugate binomials will result to difference of two squares. Okay, so let's move on to our example. So let's have an example. For example, we have this expression. Knowing that this is, or we are going to multiply conjugates here, we're just going to do these simple steps in multiplying conjugates. We're going to copy the first term and then square it. Square the first term minus the square of the last term. So we copy the last term and then square it. Now, when we square the square root of 2, or when we square a square root, we are just going to cancel our radical and square. So again, when you square a square root, you're just simply going to cancel the square root symbol and the square symbol. So we will have 2 minus the square of 1 is 1. Let's simplify this. 2 minus 1, our answer is 1. That will be our final answer. Alright. Okay, let's have another example. For example, we are given this two binomial. So, if we're multiplying conjugates or two conjugate binomials, we're going to simply follow these steps. First is to copy the first term and then square it. Minus, copy the last term and then square it. So, simplify, we can just simply cancel the square root symbol, okay, and then we will just have 6 minus the square of 7, which is 49. So 6 minus 49, our final answer will be equal to negative 43, and that is our final answer. Of an example. For example, we're going to multiply these two conjugates. So we're going to follow the following steps. So first is to copy the first term and then square it, minus copy the last term and then square it. And then after that, we will now simplify each term. So when we square this, okay, we will apply the power of a product rule. So we're also going to distribute 2 to our coefficient and to our radicand. So we will have 4 times, then we can cancel the radical symbol, times 2 minus the square of 4 is 16. So 4 times 2 is 8 minus 16. That will be equal to negative 8. And that will be our final answer. Ayan. Alright.
Now that you already know how to multiply conjugates with radicals or involving radicals, it is your turn to try it. Please click the link in our description box below in order for you to test your skill. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. That's it for today. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video.